Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you've been wanting to get an iPad, I really love the Apple iPad Air 4th generation. I have it here in the space gray, which I think is really pretty. We've got a sticker on the back of it too, that's personal. But I think this color is so really cool. It's got a nice shimmer to it. And now this does have the ability to work with an Apple Pencil and also a Magic Keyboard, which is pretty cool. But my favorite thing about this, I think, is how sleek and how thin it is. So it is very, very portable, but also extremely powerful. You have the ability to use the fingerprint, or you can set also a passcode to lock it. Whether you're using the pencil or just the touch screen, this iPad is really fun and great for productivity. I find that it is easy to type on just using the touch screen itself, and it has some cool features that I love. It has the ability to do a split screen, which I really appreciate. I use that feature a lot. So I really love this iPad because I find that it works really smooth and fast. It's sleek, it's compact, it's easy to take with me on the go. It has beautiful screen resolution. So it's all the things that I'm looking for. There's so many things to love about this iPad. I think that you will be really happy with it, but that's just my point of view.